Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to level up your YouTube game in 2025? Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting cinematic content, I got the perfect list of cameras just for you. Good lighting and clear audio matter just as much as the camera. Pair your pick with a ring light and quality mic, and you're golden. We've tested the best, compared the specs, and picked our top 5 cameras that'll take your content from meh to amazing. All the links are down in the description. So let's dive right in. Kicking off at number 5, it's the Canon EOS R50, your perfect beginner-friendly mirrorless beast. Step into the world of content creation with the Canon EOS R50, the perfect mirrorless camera designed for today's creators, vloggers, and storytellers. Whether you're shooting cinematic 4K videos or capturing stunning stills, the R50 delivers professional-level quality in a compact, user-friendly design. At the heart of the R50 is a powerful 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor paired with the Digic X image processor, ensuring ultra-sharp photos and crystal-clear videos with rich detail and vibrant color. Say goodbye to blurry action shots, with high-speed continuous shooting it up to 12 frames per second, electronic first curtain, or 15 frames per second, electronic shutter. It's perfect for capturing fast-moving moments with precision. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system covers nearly 100% of the frame with 651 autofocus zones, using intelligent subject tracking powered by deep learning. Whether it's people, animals, or vehicles, the R50 locks focus effortlessly, making it your ideal companion for vlogging, travel, or spontaneous street shooting. Create stunning content in any lighting condition. The advanced A+ assist mode helps you shoot confidently in challenging scenarios like low light or high contrast scenes, giving you professional results with ease. For video creators, the R50 truly shines. Capture 6K oversampled uncropped 4K video at 30 frames per second, or shoot smooth full HD at 120 frames per second for dramatic slow-motion clips. Its movie for close-up demo mode smartly shifts focus to the nearest object, a dream for product reviewers and tutorial creators. With a 2.36 million EVF and a vari-angle clear-view LCD touchscreen, you can compose shots from any angle, ideal for selfies, handheld vlogging, or tripod setups. Stay connected with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for quick sharing and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. Coming in hot at number 4 is the Sony ZV-1 a vlogging powerhouse made for creators. Ready to take your content to the next level? The Sony ZV-1 is the ultimate compact camera built specifically for vloggers, content creators, and social storytellers who want professional quality without the hassle of complex gear. Packed into its sleek, lightweight body is an ultra-wide 18 to 50 mm zoom lens that makes it easier than ever to capture everything, from sweeping backgrounds to tight selfie shots. Whether you're filming in your room, out in the city, or on the move, the ZV-1 ensures you never miss a moment. At its core is a powerful 1.0 type sensor, delivering crystal-clear 4K video and stunning images even in challenging low-light environments. Combined with a wide f1.8 4.0 aperture, you'll get that cinematic background blur that makes your subject pop and your content stand out. Your voice matters, and Sony knows it. That's why the ZV-1 includes a directional 3 capsule microphone with a windscreen accessory that ensures your audio stays clean and crisp, whether you're shooting indoors or out in the wind. Tired of blurry footage or missed focus? Not anymore. With real-time autofocus tracking and eye autofocus, your face stays sharp and in focus, even while you move or gesture. It's like having your own camera crew behind the scenes. Designed with creators in mind, the Sony ZV-1 also features intuitive controls, a flip-out touchscreen, and quick access to vlogging tools like background defocus, product showcase mode, and more. It's ready to shoot straight out of the box, no extra gear required. Whether you're new to vlogging or a seasoned content creator, the Sony ZV-1 gives you everything you need in one compact, creator-friendly package. Just power on, hit record, and let your creativity shine. And number 3, we're stepping up the game with the Panasonic Lumix GH6. This one's a dream for cinematic YouTube content. For serious filmmakers, content creators, and hybrid shooters, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a true game changer. Engineered for next-level video and photography performance, the GH6 pushes the limits of the Micro Four Thirds system with unrivaled resolution, dynamic range, and stabilization. At the heart of the GH6 is a groundbreaking 25.2 MP Live MOS sensor powered by the latest Venus engine, delivering ultra-crisp detail and breathtaking image quality. With the ability to shoot 100 MP high-resolution handheld shots, this camera defies expectations in both photo and video performance. Experience cinematic brilliance with unlimited internal 5.7K 60p, C4K, 4K 120p, and 10-bit 4:2:2 video recording, giving you full creative control with no recording limits. The GH6 also supports Apple ProRes 422 HQ and ProRes 422 internally for high image quality at impressively low compression rates. Ideal for professional workflows. Color grading and post-production covered with pre-installed Vlog/V gamut, plus a dynamic range of over 13 stops with dynamic range boost. You'll have the tonal flexibility to bring your artistic vision to life in any lighting condition. Low light? No problem. The GH6 features 5-axis dual IS-2 image stabilization, offering up to 7.5 stops of correction, ensuring razor-sharp photos and ultra-smooth handheld video, even in tricky shooting environments. Want jaw-dropping slow motion? Capture full HD at up to 300 frames per second for stunning cinematic effects. Built like a tank and packed with features, the GH6 is designed for professional reliability and versatility. Whether you're shooting a documentary, a music video, or high-end YouTube content, the GH6 gives you unlimited potential in a body that's compact, rugged, and ready for anything. At number 2, we have iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Wait, a phone in the top 5. Yes, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are absolutely crushing it in 2025. Step into the future of mobile technology with the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, now available renewed and unlocked, so you can enjoy next-gen power and design with ultimate flexibility. Crafted from aerospace-grade black titanium, this phone is as durable as it is stunning, with a textured matte glass back and a sleek, ultra-premium feel in your hand. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a breathtaking 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology and an always-on display, delivering silky smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and peak brightness, whether you're editing photos, watching videos, or gaming on the go. Interact like never before with Dynamic Island, Apple's revolutionary new way to stay connected with your apps, alerts, and activities, seamlessly integrated into your display. Powering it all is the blazing fast A17 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU, providing console-quality graphics and performance that keeps up with your creative and everyday demands. Capture life in unmatched detail with a Pro camera system, featuring a 48MP main camera, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Take super high-resolution 24MP and 48MP photos, shoot cinematic 4K videos, and create next-generation portraits with real-time focus and depth control. With an impressive up to 10x optical zoom range, you'll get closer to your subject than ever before. Stay protected and prepared with emergency SOS via satellite, crash detection, and roadside assistance via satellite, providing peace of mind no matter where life takes you. Enjoy up to 29 hours of video playback and experience the convenience of USB-C with USB 3 support for transfer speeds up to 20x faster. Ideal for creators and professionals on the move. Plus, Face ID keeps your device secure with just a glance. Renewed to look and perform like new, the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers powerhouse performance, pro-level photography, and a premium design, all unlocked and ready to connect to the world your way. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Sony ZV-E10. Unleash your creativity and elevate your content with the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, the ultimate interchangeable lens mirrorless camera made for vloggers, creators, and storytellers who want pro-level results without the learning curve. At the heart of this compact powerhouse is a 24.2 MP APS-C XMR CMOS sensor paired with the lightning-fast Bionz X image processor, delivering stunning image quality with rich colors, sharp detail, and excellent low-light performance. Whether you're shooting lifestyle vlogs, tutorials, travel diaries, or cinematic reels, this camera captures it all beautifully. Want 4K? You got it, and then some. The ZV-E10 records 4K video oversampled from 6K using full pixel readout with no pixel binning, giving you ultra-clear, true-to-life footage with incredible depth and sharpness. Your content will look smooth, professional, and ready to wow your audience. Designed with content creators in mind, the ZV-E10 makes focusing effortless. Activate the product showcase setting, and the camera will intelligently switch focus from your face to any object you present in front of the lens. Perfect for unboxings and product reviews. And when it's time to blur the background for that dreamy, cinematic look, just press the background defocus button and instantly toggle the bokeh effect on or off. But that's not all. Going live is easier than ever. With simple USB streaming, you can use the ZV-E10 as a high-quality webcam for your YouTube live streams, Zoom calls, or social media broadcasts. No extra hardware or software required. Plus, the camera's flip-out LCD touchscreen, built-in directional microphone, and compact design make it ideal for shooting on the go. Whether you're filming handheld, on a gimbal, or mounted on a tripod, the ZV-E10 delivers professional-grade performance in every shot. Ready to tell your story your way? The Sony ZV-E10 is your passport to high-quality content creation, versatile, user-friendly, and built for today's digital creators. There you have it, the top 5 best cameras for YouTube in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're using or planning to grab. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below to snag your favorite.